Pull Out Boys, Young Volcanoes. I say young, like really weird now. So guys, enjoy and yeah, we are actually Young Volcanoes if you come to think of it. Okay, these Young Volcanoes originally sung by Pull Out Boy, but now sung by me. La da 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 da, la da 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 da. When Rome's in ruins, we are the lions of the Colosseum. In places and places, we are anti-venom. That's the beginning of the end. Tonight, buses on the hound, and it's all over now. But it has begun. We've already won. We are wild. We are like young volcanoes. We are wild. Americana is like a beautiful baby, yeah, yeah. Make it easy. I say I never mattered. Running it up the flagpole. We will teach you how to make boys next door. Oh, out of flagpole. Night, the foxes hunt the hounds. And it's all over now. Before it has begun. We've already won. We are wild. We are like young volcanoes. We are wild. Americana is like a. You wanna feel a little beautiful, baby? Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. We are wild. We are like young volcanoes. We are wild. Americana is that a god you wanna feel a little beautiful, baby? Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So guys, that was Young Volcanoes by Full Up Way. Um, 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 um. I'm just thinking what I should do next. I'm thinking I should do The Phoenix by Full Up Boy in my next video, which will be in 5 minutes after I upload this one, hopefully. Okay, bye.